We're here at Agritechnica Asia Live. So itutour ko kayo sa mga companies, displays na nandito. Tulad nitong Fimax from Turkey. So yung mga products nila. I think in the Philippines, ang distributor ng Fimax ay Tractorco for livestock. Okay. I have this trailer. Next one is John Deere. Pre, maraming distributor yan sa Pilipinas. Okay. John Deere. And then we have this Padili from Turkey also, I guess. So mga ano naman to, mga boom sprayers. Ito yung ginagamit sa orchard. Padili. This one is Lico. Sprayer. Spreader, manure spreader. So Mahindra. Mahindra is an Indian company. They're just entering the tractor market. They have a range of tractors. Nila dito. Okay. And then we have one from Japan, Iseki. Nagre-reintroduce sila sa market ngayon, sa Asian market, kasi for a while parang lumiit yung Iseki. Mga tractors nila ngayon. We have Kuhn. Kuhn is also for livestock. Mixer, TMR mixer. This one is just for cultivator. They have this round baler. Then this one is horizontal rotavator from Kuhn. Ito ay kakaiba dun sa ating sa common sa Pinas. Okay. Then sa likod meron siya ganyan. Then we have the New Holland. Have the biggest booth of AGCO. So AGCO carries different brands. So Massey Ferguson, and then Fend and Valtra. So lalaki niya, no? That's Massive. This is the tractor of Valtra. They bought Valtra and Fend. And then we have Chinese companies. Chinese tractor. Shangfa. Ito yung mga Shangfa. We have the biggest, also one of the biggest also, Claas from Germany. rest are horticultural displays. So, fertilizers, booths, companies from Taiwan. Meron silang mga flowers, plants, fertilizers. And then drones from China. Uditech. Fertilizer companies. And sprayers, spreaders. This is from Netherlands. I think this one is Chinese company too. Products. Ngayon pa lang mag-open. Look at that. Wow. Fresh flowers yan, ha? Fresh orchids. See? Very good. Very good. Fresh orchids from Thailand. The program is about to open yet. Dito muna tayo. Maghihintay muna tayo ng opening.